Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you guys the best Twitch studio settings for streaming. So as you can see here, the layout is different compared to Streamlabs OBS and OBS Studio, which their layouts is pretty similar. So anyways, let's get started, and this will be straightforward and fast. So what you gotta do is you gotta sign into Twitch. If you are not signed in, you probably wouldn't see this. So then what you gotta do, click the settings right here and then go to stream quality. So what's cool about this is for the presets, if you go to, like, let's say you want to do 720p 60, it's already adjusted for you. Resolution, FPS, bitrate adjusted already. So the best preset is 900p 60, and then just keep it. You don't have to do anything with it. And then what you gotta do not go to stream settings, do not go to recording, go to audio. And then what you gotta do is you gotta, pick your mic, whatever is your microphone, and then you adjust your volume like this. So let's say you are too low, then you wanna bring it down, right? If you are too quiet, then you wanna bring it up. Right? Then what you gotta do not convert it to mono. Do not. Stereo is better. Alright? Then what you gotta do, you can mess around with the audio delay, the compressor, the noise gate, or the noise suppressor. I usually don't mess with it because I have a good microphone, but you can do that if you want to. And that is the best Twitch studio settings for streaming. So anyways, if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Follow my Twitch, which is 604corrupt. I stream on Friday and Saturday at 7:30 p.m. Los Angeles time. Also join my Discord server, link in the description below. Anyways, see you guys.